Alright, so second trade of the week, we can see on the indicator strong mean reversion across the short, mid, and the consensus. The market is reversing hard after every move. Sell when the price backs up, buy when it drops hard. Now the price has dropped and we have seen our model that aligns with this indicator. So we're going to copy that model and rescale it. So the function of the indicator is to know exactly what to do. Are you looking for a reversal model or a continuation model? That's what it has told us right now. Sell when the price spikes up, buy when the price goes down, drops hard, right? Now let's go. Target 61%. Let's confirm that. All right, so we take all the way to low. Yeah, just a little bit above 61%. All right, so let's see. We'll be bringing up my MetaTrader now. Yeah, this is the live execution of the trade. All right. So let's go zero drawdown entry and we target the high, just a couple of points, and you see take profit hit, zero drawdown, 1 to 2, basically a 1 to 4 because of the zero drawdown, and correct bias, correct indicator, correct trading methodology, all right, and partial staking. See you next week. Those of you who want to trade on Fridays, stay profitable, stay consistent, and stay